Mrs. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's recent decline in health. He's been experiencing increased fatigue, confusion, and loss of appetite.
Yes, Dr. Mihira, we've noticed those changes. He's also been having trouble sleeping.
It's important to investigate these symptoms further. I'd like to schedule a comprehensive assessment to rule out any underlying medical conditions.
That sounds good. When can we schedule an appointment? We'll do that. We're also worried about his medication. He seems to be having trouble remembering to take his pills on time.
That's a common issue among older adults. We can explore medication management strategies, such as using pill organizers or setting reminders.
Thank you for your advice, Dr. Mihira. We'll do our best to ensure he takes his medications as prescribed.
Mihira, to help you put all of this information together and create a plan that really works for you, I would strongly recommend that we schedule an appointment for you to see a dietitian. Dietitians are experts in how food affects our bodies, and they can give you very specific strategies and advice tailored just for you. During an appointment with a dietitian, you'll have the chance to talk in detail about your current eating habits, what kinds of foods you enjoy, and any challenges you might be facing with eating. They can help you develop a practical and easy-to-follow eating plan that takes all of that into account. They can also provide guidance on whether any nutritional supplements might be helpful for you, always keeping your preferences and medical situation in mind. What are your thoughts on this suggestion? Do you have any concerns or questions about seeing a dietitian?